You've seen the crypto chaos. One day it's a bull run, the next it's a historic crash. The government is finally stepping in with a plan for stablecoins, and it's called the Genius Act. But is it actually a genius idea? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. The Genius Act is a bipartisan bill aiming to regulate stablecoins, the cryptocurrencies pegged to a stable asset like the US dollar. Think of it as creating official rules for digital dollars. So what's the good news? Proponents, including its sponsors Senators Lummis and Gillibrand, say this is a huge win for innovation and security. First, it creates a clear path for banks and non-bank companies to become approved stablecoin issuers. This is meant to foster competition and prevent a handful of big players from dominating the market. Second, it mandates one-to-one reserves. For every digital dollar you own, the issuer must have a real dollar or a short-term treasury bill sitting in a segregated account. This is designed to prevent a bank-run scenario like the Terra USD collapse that wiped out billions. It also brings stablecoins under the regulation of federal and state banking authorities, giving consumers a clear place to go if something goes wrong. More stability, more trust, more innovation. Sounds great, right? Well, not everyone is sold. Critics like Senator Elizabeth Warren and groups like Consumer Reports are raising some serious red flags. Their biggest fear? It's too friendly to the industry. They argue that allowing non-bank tech companies to issue stablecoins without the same rigorous oversight as traditional banks could open the door to systemic risk. They're also worried it could undermine the Federal Reserve. If these private digital dollars become too popular, it could challenge the authority of the actual US dollar and our central bank's ability to manage the economy. And finally, some argue it doesn't go far enough on consumer protection, leaving loopholes that could still harm everyday users if a company fails. So you have a classic Washington debate. One side sees the Genius Act as the perfect bridge, bringing crypto into the mainstream safely while boosting American innovation. The other sees it as a risky gamble that prioritizes tech companies over the stability of our financial system. This bill has passed the House and Senate and is now heading to the President's desk, so its impact could be felt very soon. What do you think? Is this the right move for the future of money? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Truth Quickies for more clear, concise breakdowns of the topics that matter.